Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I just want to share with you. Claude and Canva got together and decided that it wanted to work together, and that is perfectly fine with me. I'm going to share what a couple of things. I'm still kind of learning how it connects and what I can do. So there'll be more videos, but this is a real basic one. So I asked Claude, please generate Facebook group designs that I can post Monday through Friday about design tips. I made this very basic to see what I could get. I could have easily put in here, do this and this and this, and these are the colors and all that. Do know that that can happen. I just wanted to see with a very basic what I will get. So, hello, it did it for me, and it gives, I think, 4 different images. Some of them didn't come through, but then it gave me, what Monday through Friday, but then a couple of them didn't come through. Um, and that will happen. Just ask for it to redo it. And I said, Claude, some of the designs didn't connect with Canva. Can we try again? And they tried, and I got all of them, which is lovely. And then it also gave me the same info. And then if I wanted to click on these, I can open the Canva. There we go. It did say, I'm just going to share this. It did say view all 4 designs, and I didn't get all 4 designs. I would have to go back up here and check which one I would like to, I don't mind that one. You just click, I would probably change the image, kind of creepy. But you just click on there, you open it in Canva, and here you can automatically, and it even says Facebook group choosing brand colors. It named it for me. If I wanted to detach the background, oh, I see how we did that. Okay. If I wanted to, because the picture is kind of creepy, I could just do this. Position to the back, and then put a different elements. Image, let's see here, brand, colors, and then photos. And this would be an easy one to add. I go to back, that purple comes up. There we go. What it does is it gives you a start. This is great. I don't mind this at all, but maybe I didn't like the image. There we go. Now let's go back to Claude and close that out. Another thing, so you have all these to go through, or whatever ones that you ask Claude to do. And then I did ask for it. You can do, it will actually do a Canvas search for you. So if you can't find something in Canva, or you're just in Claude and you're like, hey, can I get my last 5 Canva designs? Look what it did. It pulled up my last 5. And it tells me what it is. And then if I want to edit, it gives me a link. And there we go. I can just be in here just doing that, which I absolutely love. Now, I did ask for it to give me my last journal I was working on. It gave me 4 of them, which was fine, but it actually gave 25. That must mean I have a lot of journals. No, just kidding. It does the search for you. Let's go ahead and look at what all these. Okay. You just look at that. I like this. All right, there we go. Now, do you want to know how to connect? I bet you do. Now remember, these aren't like perfect or anything like that, but um, it's like a foundation that you can start with. How to connect Claude and Canva is you're going to go down to your I am a Pro plan, but I think you can connect. I'll check. but I think you can connect it on the free. I'll look and I'll make sure. And click on that. You're going to click on settings and you're going to go down to connectors. There's quite a few different connectors that you can even connect with. You can go in here and go Canva and it will pull it up right here and connect. Oh, it's probably because I'm already. I am going to disconnect. All right, we're going to go up here and I'm going to go Canva again so you guys can see the full setup. There we go. And then I can connect. And you guys read through this on what it can actually do. There's some different things you can ask for it to, which I'm doing a video on this about how to do a presentation. It will create a social post for you. It will create a sales report if you have like sheets in Canva or those report things or whatever they're called. Let's see here. It does quite, it can help you. All right, so just do the connect. Since I'm just going to go over here. And I'm going to allow. And that's how easy it is. And then if you want to configure this, you can go up here. And I just have them set as always allow, but you have options there. That is how easy it is. And I have a couple more videos for you. We're going to do a presentation and then I'm going to show you a couple workflows. Thank you very much and connect that to Canva to help you.